Welcome to Life Camera Adventure. So on today's video, what we're going to be doing is cooking over a fire. There's still not enough snow to go snowmobiling, as you can see. It is January and we're still snowless in northern Ontario, Canada. Regardless, we can still have fun. So I decided to make an omelette over the fire. As you'll see in the video, it's not really an omelette at the end, but I tried and that's what counts. So what I do when I make a fire is I like to use newspaper to start it off. Something else you can use is lint from your dryer. That actually works really well. So if you're a survivalist or if you want to just get a little bit of lint in a bag for your survival pack when you're out camping, it's an awesome way to start a fire when you don't have any dry branches or anything that you can start burning. So you can make your fire whatever way you want. I like the teepee method. There's a bunch of different ways you can make it. I just find this way pretty good when you want to cook over with a tripod. Sends the heat up pretty directional. Before you start cooking, you always want your fire to be hot enough. Even if it is on fire, doesn't mean it's warm enough to cook. Just like your oven, you gotta preheat it. So be careful not to burn yourself when you set it up. What's beautiful about the tripod is you can actually adjust the height of the grill. So if you want your food closer to the fire, if you want it less, if it's cooking too hot, you can lower it or you can raise it. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy our little video of us making a omelet, or a fire omelet, I guess. Alright, you gotta get your cast iron pan ready for your over the fire omelet. Prepare with butter before. Let it preheat. Alright, we're gonna get that preheated. So what I did, I just prepared it before coming out. So you get your eggs, you get your condiments that you want to put in there, get your spices, put a little bit of milk, it'll help it fluff up a bit more. And yeah, I just put mushrooms, peppers, bacon, all of that good stuff. Okay, let's go screw it up. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. We'll see if we can get the flip on camera.
Get the flip, bro.
Or the stick. It's honestly going to be sticky. I think it's going to be a flip scrambled. Alright, ready. Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Scrambled.
That's how you scramble your eggs.
I mean, hey.
Cheese it up. Yes. Good cheese.
Boom. Last step.
Oh yes. Make it hot.
And look at that. That is not bad. Good. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Get yourself your restaurant ketchup pouches.
Fast food ketchup pouches. Can't beat them.
And then if you're really stuck and you don't have any plates, guess what? Coffee filters. Oh yeah, a little bit for the little friends on the ground.
Well, enjoy your meal.
Oh, alrighty. We are ready. Let's see how this tastes. Moment of truth. Unreal. Wow. Nope, I think it's a success. Till next time.